How to automatically number rows in Google Sheets. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can automatically number rows in Google Sheets. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, open up your Google Sheet. Now, in order to number your rows automatically, what you have to do is first of all, select your first row, then enter the first number. Similar with that, enter the second number and the third number. So once you have your pattern ready, all you have to do is select your first cell, then press Ctrl in your keyboard. While pressing Ctrl on your keyboard, you have to drag this cell, and as you can see now, the number is automatically filled up in these rows. So you can continue with the same up to the number that you want to display. That's it. That's how you can automatically number your rows in Google Sheets, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.